All right, Rob, Fraser here, doing a quick multiple income funnel update. I know it changed my mind. I'll change my mind a little bit every so often. So I've learned in marketing, every now and again, you need to mix up what it is you're presenting, mix up what it is you're promoting. Everyone is zigging, you got to zag. Everyone is zagging, you got to zig. Sometimes, having systems one way, and if it's not working, you got to switch them up, find another way for them to work, all that kind of good stuff. So, just doing a short little update about how I'm promoting the multiple income funnel, update to the income streams. If you don't know, you can incorporate two of your own income streams within this system. And I like using it because, number one, because of the Facebook group, you got a couple of a lot of top tier marketers. Inside the Facebook group, you got Aaron Rashkin. I forgot the lady's name. I can see her face. And I just, as soon as I'm doing a video, I forgot her name. But she's always posting like different trainings and values, and she's been a high level marketer. Anyways, come back later. I'll throw her name in the comments because I wanted to give her a shout out as well. But for some reason, having a brain fart. Nicole something. I don't know. I forget her name. Anyways, the point is, inside the Facebook group, they're putting valuable training, not on a daily basis, but like at least once, every couple of days, there's something very valuable that they'll post inside the group. And Aaron Rashkin is just, he's a big fitness guy, but he's been successful in online marketing all the way for years now. And then what is her name? I could see her face. Anyway, but she posts value in the group all the time, always dropping stories, going live, and different things like that. But the point is, inside the Facebook group, there's always given value. They started up the new member calls again to help people go through the system and learn how to do things. But anyways, this video basically is just doing an update. So we got number one, multiple income funnel. The second income stream, also the multiple income funnel was created by the infamous Mac Mills. And I dropped a post in his group earlier. The reason I love his systems is because I'm going to school full time. I'm homeschooling a kiddo. I live on a ranch with about 10, 12 animals. I don't have a lot of time to explain things and handhold. So we use these online systems to earn money so we can have income happening when we're living life. Because nowadays, I'm just at a place I can't physically work any more hours in a day if I wanted to make money. That's why we use these systems. We have these systems in place. We learn how to drive traffic online to the systems so we can live our life and earn income at the same time. It could be full-time income, part-time income, a few bucks here and there. That's why we use these systems. So my first income stream, obviously the multiple income funnel itself. For me, the second income stream I put in was another system created by Mac, which was your free system. And I dropped a couple videos about the training here and how it has really helped my own marketing. Matter of fact, when you click on training, and it's the free traffic training. And besides, your free system, the business promotes Nexus. It's $49, $45 to start, and then $10 a month. I mean, you can't get any easier than that. Very simple income stream, not going to hurt the wallet. But the training portion, this free marketing system, that training is where it's at. And if you have people that you want to work with, you can send them to the system, get trained, and then if they decide they want to get paid for referring out the free training, they can join you in the business. So multiple income funnel, income stream number one, Nexus, income stream number two, another system, again, created by Mac. And then the third system, Power Lead system, all day. I'm always going to have that as a third income stream. This right here is the kitchen table funnel. Basically, Frank Calabro is another person. A few Christmases ago, I would always have to wake up like an hour before the kiddo, and I would go out and I'd post ads on Backpage and just grind out with the marketing. I came across a solo ad training by Frank Calabro. I applied it the very next day. I got 17 leads within like 20 minutes, and from then on, I was hooked on this paid traffic thing. Some things have changed since then, but the Power Lead system, specifically this particular funnel, breaks down solo ads. So it includes Power Lead system as an income stream, and then Udemy solo ads, which is kind of like a hidden income stream there. And so this is what I use to drive traffic to this. I use that Power Lead system Udemy training, send people to the capture pages here. And also later on, I'll share how I make my own capture pages, make share codes of them. And so basically we have a Power Lead system capture page. People opt in, they get introduced to the multiple income funnel, and then they just go down the line. And then also we follow an email schedule, basically. There's basically 3 income streams. There's traffic authority as well, but for the most part, these 3 main income streams: multiple income funnel in and of itself, your free system, Power Lead system. You get those 3 cranking. That's the first step. You get those 3 income streams going, you're making money, you're getting paid. It all starts working together. You learn how this whole system works. Excuse me. And there are systems. So Mac explains this system a lot better than I can. Your free system, Mac does the same thing, explains the whole system. Here's the link. Just had a person sign up today when I was actually taking a kiddo to, he's doing like a, a vacation, little school camp out thing this week. And as I was taking him there, I signed someone up in Nexus. So it's like, that's the point. These systems work so you don't have to. And same thing here, Power Lead system. I made over 6 figures with just Power Lead system alone over the years. And this teaches traffic, but also social media. All 3 of these programs are very heavy in teaching paid traffic and social media. Excuse me. Of course, when I'm doing a video, don't have a glass of water. Oh, let's just start hacking up a lung because people like to hear that. Anyways, those are the 3 programs. Very simple, straightforward plan. I have this. Then I'm also putting together a series for my crypto retirement plan. Very simple, easy programs, been around 7+ years. Same thing here. These programs have legs. Power Lead system, I think, is the oldest of all of them. I think that program's like 12 years old, still paying out daily now. And then this system is, I think, 3-4 years right now. But any which ways, link is in the description of this video. It's very simple, very straightforward. Multiple income funnel, made about 6-ish thousand, 7,000. I haven't promoted it too heavy. Nexus, I got about 6 signups. I don't really know how the comp plan works, but I have gotten paid from it. And Power Lead system, multiple 6 figures. Very simple. Systems work. Mac and Frank. And then now I'm just putting together pages. You join me. I'll help you with the share codes. Any which way. I'm going to go get some water. See you in the next video. Peace.